I love the little tag that says Made in Tulsa.
When Mary Mooney is looking for the perfect gift, Landella Bead Factory is her boutique of choice.
I came in and purchased several bracelets for Christmas, and they were a big hit.
Landella is a locally made fashion jewelry line featuring handcrafted beads in a rainbow of colors.
Landella is the world's first and only powder-coated bead factory. And it's certainly the only bead factory in Oklahoma, and to our knowledge, it might very well be the only production bead factory in the United States.
Landella was created by the founder of Tulsa's Spexton Jewelry, well known for making men's wedding bands.
We acquired some really complicated and expensive machinery to create more wedding bands with, and it's so fast and effective that we had free time. And ultimately, we needed to create a product that we could utilize, the same machinery for, because it had a lot of downtime.
That downtime is now filled with making these beautiful beads. Just downstairs from the showroom sits the factory, where the beads start off as brass rods. They're cut into different shapes, then each bead is sent through a 30-step, 3-hour hand-finishing production process.
It gives you appreciation for how much work goes into each bracelet. It's pretty mind-blowing, actually.
So beads are $5 a bead. Oftentimes people will come in and be like, wow, that's a lot of money for a bead. Then we'll take them on a tour, and then we'll get back to the retail space and they'll go, oh, you're not charging enough.
Bracelets are what Landella is known for, and the Pearl Trio is a top seller. A new color collection goes on sale each month. There are also different leathers and bead shapes to choose from. When you come in, you can buy a Landella original design or create your own.
It's ultimately about creating beads that you can take apart, and add and remove to different pieces. So you could have like one pair of hoops, and then you buy a bunch of beads and you can just change them out. Same thing with the necklaces and the bracelets.
This line of fashion jewelry isn't just for women. There are kids and men's options too.
Landella is really beads for everybody, and we want that kind of feeling when you come in, is that, whatever your style is, we're going to be able to find something to accommodate you.
And another way to experience Landella is with a party. They hold build-your-own bracelet parties here at the factory, or they'll come to your place.
To come in, get a full tour, really get to kind of be more on hands-on with it, where we get to touch the beads, we get to see how it's done, try out the different techniques that we're doing and really understand it more, and then just enjoy the evening and create a piece where everyone can have.
Landella Bead Factory. Just off Route 66, it's a perfect stop for an Oklahoma keepsake.
You walk away with that original Tulsa souvenir that you for sure know is made right here, and so I love that about it.
We live in Oklahoma. It's still made in Oklahoma, and the whole experience, something unique.
In Tulsa, I'm Julie Chin, discovering Oklahoma.